Today, we are going to make some grass. No, I'm not in Colorado, so it's not going to be that kind of grass. It's our techniques that are so simple and sensible, your mowers will practically build themselves. Hello folks, it's Mad Dog Merv and welcome to the Kit Hoarder Stash. Today, I've got one that's not super old, but I picked it up for a special reason, and that's Grumpy's Vega. Now this is supposed to be the 72 version of it, which has the flat grill. I didn't want the later version with the sloped grill, and there's a reason. We'll get into it here in a minute. Here's the decal sheet, what it's supposed to look like. And ta-da, what that's supposed to look like. We start out at the very top of the box with a chrome tree. How about that? I can't imagine there's going to be a ton of chrome on this, but we will see what it gives us. So, start out with, we got some nice deep dish center lines, and oh, I have a malformed grill. Look at that. I guess I will be contacting round two. Rear bumper. Yikes. I mean, I need that front grill for what I'm doing. So, we have a Keystone Classic. We have some other center lines. Blower hat. Some nice looking valve covers though. Looks like small block valve covers. Chrome fan, a few other chrome pieces. Okay. Oh, we have a metal axle, a shorty metal axle. That's interesting. Never have run into one of those before. That's kind of neat. Well, let's take a look at the tires that they're sending with us here. I like these. I love these, and they are pad printed. Yay! Finally, got some Firestone Drag 500s. I love those. I've used those kind of tires before they were pad printed on all sorts of stuff. These look really nice too. The fronts look really good. So yay! That's going to be good and helpful for what I'm going to do. Okay, so ooh, look at the body, but oh my gosh, that's a nasty place to put that support right there. But anyway, we have a narrowed molded in rear end gag. But oh gosh, but it is narrowed. Okay. And I have, ooh, a tubbed interior. That part's nice. With carpet. And then, of course, the early Vega body, which is what I'm after. Yay for me. So while I'm trying to put this back in here, what I am going to do is I want to build this as a Baldwin Motion Vega. And they didn't make them in the later years, just the early years. So, by the way, okay. We have side windows. Hey, how about that? We have side windows. Glass, that's good. Your 4 headlights and your main glass. We have a bag of parts. Okay, so in the bag of parts we have one steering wheel. Okay. I have the chintzy roll cage and the wheel backs. We have some racing seats and a pretty decent looking dashboard. A couple of carburetors, manifold, and looks like an engine stand. Oh, here we go. Looks like we got a couple of options for hood scoop on this particular hood, but I have the correct hood here somewhere. Somewhere I actually have a resin Baldwin motion hood, and I don't know where it is because I haven't been at my desk in a few days. So, but it's here somewhere. Somewhere, I don't know, but it's here. I'll find it. I know because I primed it not too long ago. So I know it's here somewhere. Oh, all sorts of little parts fall off. Okay, we have this nasty piece of firewall, a manifold, a blower manifold, a small block automatic, a stock exhaust on it there. Okay, and here we have the headers and another hood scoop option, and wheelie bars. That's kind of nice. Oh, look, now we've got a real firewall. That's good. And a whole nother hood with another scoop built in. And look at this, we got side pipes. Oh yeah, side pipes. I could use that on something, whether it's this or something else, I don't know. Grumpy's Toy 72 Chevy Pro Stocker. So, assembling the engine. And the suspension, the roll cage, and what's left of the interior. Putting it all together. And yeah, we got a few different options here. 4 different options for your hood. Putting the malformed bumper that I'm going to have to get replaced. And a few other, little custom goodies here. And then it shows you how to put on the decals. And I guess this one piece here is for helping to display it on the display stand. So, okay. Very simple instructions. Very simple looking build. Very simple. But of course I'm going to complicate it by doing what I'm going to do, so that'll definitely complicate things. Oh, there it is. I knew it was here somewhere. And there is my resin Baldwin motion hood. And all sorts of really cool sponsorship decals. So that's nice. So if you're wanting to build Grumpy's early Vega, definitely looks like you can do that, and better than ever before with these really nice pad printed slicks. That's awesome. And not sure what I'm going to do as far as the tubbed suspension just yet, but you kind of get the idea there. How that's going to work. So I'm going to actually get started on this before long because it's something I've really wanted to do for a very long time. So I got to find a good 454 to go in this because that small block ain't going to work. So there's another Nova kit though that I've got. It's got a 454. I think that's going in here. All right, folks, thanks for joining us today, and we will see you again soon on The Stash.